Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1996 Suzuki Carry van. This van has a water-cooled Suzuki 3-cylinder engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. It comes with 43,541 original miles. It comes with 4 doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. All right, as y'all can see, that is the kilometers that you're seeing, 70,074. The miles again is 43,541. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions y'all may have. I would like to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. It really does mean a lot to us. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.